That guy over there is an American crow. The American crow's scientific name is Corvus branchialis. Crows are capable of are Crows are able to mimic sounds they hear in their environment. Listen closely and you may hear Kiki say hi owl. Crows are highly adaptable and will live anywhere where there are trees for roosting and a food source. Generations will sometimes inhabit the same area for decades. Their diet consists of seeds, berries, small animals, and worms. They will also feed on carrion and garbage. Crows lay 3 to 9 eggs in a nest constructed of sticks and soft plant materials. They often build their nest in evergreen trees.